5th night of shooting, okay? We are almost done. You know, we have very little daylight left here, and some guy decides to mow his lawn at 2 in the morning.
Some joker.
I mean, really? Really? We're artists, okay? That's the problem with this place. Nobody thinks, like, maybe there's someone filming a movie next door.
No, nobody ever thinks that.
Nobody thinks that. I do every time I get up to mow my lawn. I'm like, wait, maybe I should. There might be something.
Using that as an excuse for the past month.
One thing.
There you go, Shay.
Do you know who you look like right now?
Who? No.
The guy that's on that Ned's Declassified show.
The author.
He always wears a t-shirt with a sports jacket over it, and his hair is just like...
The author of...
Wait, who?
Moby Dick.
On that...
Ned's Declassified.
Is
that
like
like the
the
high
Moby
school
Dick.
that's like ridiculous?
Yeah. The thing is, normally, Lawnmower would be such a monster of a mower.
You're a snitting noodle. Behold Donald's elbow.
Troll bogies.
Ew, Shay bogies.
Ew, boom, man.
I know. That's what I hate about that camera is you can't flip the thing around and look at yourself.
Spinning, spinning, spinning. I think I'm gonna throw up.
It is almost 2.
We don't have time to wait for the stupid lawnmower!
Afternoon.
I'm gonna kill Cal like that. I hate working with Donald. What are you doing here? Shay, you know what I'm saying? And I'm stabbing you with this stick. I look nothing like me.